using the sun's energy on a larger scale. Humans have come up with large-scale inventions to make the most of solar energy. For example, some companies or shopping centres are installing photovoltaic shades over their car parks to provide shade or protection from the weather, while producing electricity. Factories have solar panels on their roofs. They produce electricity which is then consumed directly in the factory. A good illustration of what we call a short supply chain. On a regional scale, we can opt for clean and renewable energy to fight global warming. And the sun is often front and centre in those efforts. Many countries such as China, the United States, Japan, South Africa, Germany and France have decided to build solar farms providing electricity to many people. Many solar power plants are already in production and others are under construction. This goes to show that solar energy is a solution for a future with fewer carbon emissions. Alternative solutions exist for sectors of activity that still emit too many greenhouse gases, such as transport. That is the case with electric vehicles, which we can recharge using energy produced at photovoltaic power stations. And what about at sea and in the air? Do you think it is possible for boats and planes to run on solar energy? In any case, there are those who have set out to accomplish just that, and some have even produced very promising prototypes. For example, Réseau, the first multi-hybrid electric aircraft powered by renewable energy, capable of long-distance flight. Lastly, in space, satellites are also equipped with photovoltaic solar panels, as is the International Space Station. If humans ever wish to live on other planets, it is a safe bet that they will rely heavily on solar energy. And back here on Earth, are there any applications for solar energy in agriculture?